Hey guys, Thomas and Miata here. Before we get started, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Aaron with LoneStarDrift and Adam with Adam LZ for throwing this awesome event today here at Englishtown Raceway. I highly recommend you guys come out and check this out. Give them a follow, buy some merch, tell them Thomas and Miata sent you.
First hour and a half, we're gonna do just drift week driving.
Nah, Dylan's here. Check him out. Powder Coat Express, get on it. What's up, y'all? You know, he powder coated the wheels and such. Does a good job out of Baltimore. Clown shoe, what's good?
Driving?
Not really.
I saw your...
Remember guys, we're running open track until 6 p.m. and we get to the drift game.
All right, guys, we got Dylan in the car. I'll hand the camera off to him, and we're gonna have a good time. DRIFTWEEK5 stuff.
DRIFTWEEK5,
woo! I got about 3 laps in earlier. I had a good time, or 2 laps, and my tires fell apart. Used life. And yeah, now we're driving back from the pits.
I was gonna do Inception here.
Okay.
I saw Thomas Miata walking on the street, so I thought I'd pick him up.
What's up?
You guys remember him from DRIFTWEEK 3?
2 and 3.
2 and 3, yeah, but 3 you were with me the whole time.
Oh yeah.
That was awesome. So, just wanted to give a quick update and say, he's still killing it, still coming on Drift Week. We are addicted to this shit.
It's a problem.
And it is a problem. But it's great to see you.
Good seeing you, man. All hands and feet inside the vehicles.
Hold on.
Oh, where the fuck is my gate?
Oh, sorry, I'm on the tape.
Open the gate.
This one? Open the gate! Open the gate! Hey! All right, yo, we got it.
They figured it out.
That worked great.
Oh, hell yeah. Well, dude, have fun out there. I'm going to go get some more shots.
All right, get it. Maybe we'll do some driving this week.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. DRIFTWEEK5 stuff.
is about to rain here. We've got drifting still happening in the background, but the wetter that track gets, the worse it can turn out. Packed up, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Check this out, guys, right before I sign off here. I wanted to show you, I got my phone sharing internet to my computer, sharing it to my S9 miner for my heat. Yeah, buddy. And the car's in here, and we got LED and everything.